Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Did you know the vaccines given to you are first tested for their safety and efficacy after they are dispatched by the vaccine manufacturing firms? These vials are first tested here at Central Drugs Laboratory in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh, which is behind me right now.
Located at the top of northern hills of India overlooking the valley, Central Drugs Laboratory in Kasauli is responsible for testing the safety and efficacy of all the vaccines that were ever administered to you, such as the ones for polio, DPT, rabies and BCG among others. Spread across a sprawling area of 27,000 square feet, it is the only vaccine testing laboratory in the country which is pre-qualified by the World Health Organization, allowing India to export vaccines to more than 170 countries across the globe. Always busy, the laboratory has recently come into the spotlight for testing all the COVID-19 vaccines such as Covaxin, Covishield and Sputnik. Without the approval of CDL, vaccines cannot reach the India's markets. Here are the various steps that go into the testing of vaccines. First, the laboratory receives the consignment from the manufacturers after sanitizing the boxes. The entries are made on documents about the batch numbers, quantity details, manufacturing and expiry date, apart from the temperature at which consignment is being received. After receiving the vaccines, the consignments are then shifted to the cold storage rooms where a temperature of around 2 to 5 degrees is maintained. The samples are then distributed among laboratories for conducting quality checks. For instance, Instrumental and Analytical Lab checks the safety and limits of adjuvants and preservatives apart from other chemicals used in the vaccines. For specialized testing, units are divided into viral and bacterial vaccines. In the viral vaccine testing, vaccines are tested by the scientists in the biosafety cabinets. Overall, the lab runs multiple tests, including the efficacy test to check the potency of the vaccine as claimed by the manufacturer, followed by the safety testing in 3 parts. It includes animal testing and sterility tests that takes up to 14 to 15 days.
COVID vaccine for use in the country, and it is based on the expedited procedures of release at CDL, and CDL is able to achieve the goal for releasing corona vaccine in shortest possible duration with no compromising in testing procedures. So we are adopting complete testing procedure for the release of the COVID vaccine, and till date we are able to release 32.7 crore of Covishield vaccine doses, 3.98 crore of Covaxin and 1,50,000 of Sputnik component 1 and 60,000 doses of Sputnik component 2.
This morning, around 3.8 crore vials of Covishield and at least 70 lakh vials of Covaxin are undergoing testing at different laboratories here at CDL. The officers here believe that this month is going to be crucial as they have been indicated by both the central government and the vaccine manufacturers about the high inflow of batches for testing. Once tested by CDL and approved, these batches will then be dispatched to the states. This is Himani Chandana reporting for The Print from Kasauli.